Children, in our previous class we have completed few exercises from the grammar. Now let us get into the next topic.
See here children, the is also an article. It is a definite article. Before we learnt about a and yan also are articles, but those are indefinite articles. And here the is also an article, but it is a definite article. The is used when we talk about a particular noun. For example, say here children, the earth, the house, on the corner, the boy I was talking to, the book on the table is mine. Here particular place for particular places or particular persons or particular things. We are using the article here the. The is also used when we talk about a kind or a class of nouns. Say here, the French and the Italian teams are staying in this hotel. Here we are talking about the group of teams. And here when we talk about a person, a place, an animal or a thing for the first time, we use a or an. However, when we talk about it again, we use the. So what we have to observe here, when we talk about a person, a place or an animal for the first time or a thing also, for the first time, we should use a. And when we repeat the same word in our next sentences, we have to mention the in front of those words. For example, see here children, there is a pond in the park. Here, in front of the word pond, we used here a. And why we are using the here? Because we are repeating again the word again, right? So, we have to use the when we repeat the words. So, let us read the full sentence here. There is a pond in the park. The pond is full of fish. So, I think you observed here where we are using a and where we have to use the. Okay, let us check the next example. My aunt lives in a cottage. Here the word cottage for the first time we have used here. When we repeat again here, the cottage has a lovely garden. When we are repeating the word cottage, we should add the, because here we are mentioning the particular place, right? So, we have to mention the article the. And the is also used before certain proper nouns such as rivers, mountains, oceans, buildings, books, newspapers and so on. Here they have given some examples. You can observe Ganga. Ganga is a river. So, in front of the particular river, we have to use the. And here the word Himalayas. Himalayas are mountains. So, for the particular mountains, we have to use the word article the. Here, Indian Ocean is a ocean. And here they are mentioning the particular ocean. For the particular ocean, we have to use the word the in front of the particular ocean. And here, Red Fort. Red Fort is a place. For particular places, we have to use the in front of the particular place. And here Ajanta and Ellora caves. These are also particular places. So we have to use the word the in front of these particular caves. Okay. And here they have mentioned particular book, which is that Bible. In front of the particular book, we have to use the article the, because they have mentioned here particular rivers, mountains, oceans, buildings, books and etc. So, you can understand easily why we are using the when we repeat the words again and again in the sentences. When we use the first time, we have to use the. When we repeat the same words again, we have to use the in front of the repeated word. Okay children, now let us get into our next exercise. See here children, fill in the blanks with a, an or the. See, now we have three articles, a, an or the. Let us check the first blank here. I want to clean dash bathroom. Where do you keep dash cleaning things? Here they have mentioned bathroom. Bathroom is the particular place. So what we have to write here? We should fill in the blank with the word the. And where do you keep dash cleaning things? Tell me, children. Of course, the cleaning things. Why we have used the here? Because here cleaning things, particular things, they have mentioned that to clean. So we have to use the word the. And let us check the second one. Do you think there is life on any other planet in dash universe? Here universe is particular place. So here we have to use the article the. And let us check the next one. Dash principal said that dash history teacher was absent. Here principal is a particular person, so we have to use the. Why we are using the first letter into a capital letter? Because when we start a sentence, first letter will be the capital letter. And here the principal said that dash history teacher was absent. Of course, the history, because here we have mentioned particularly the teacher, the subject teacher. So we have to use the here. And then let us check the next one. I saw dash guitar in your room. I saw a guitar. Here we have to use a guitar because here the word starts with consonant, and it is when we use for the first time the consonant word, we should use a. And here, do you play dash guitar? So when we are repeating the same word over here, we have to mention the guitar. Let us read the full sentence over here. I saw a guitar in your room. Do you play the guitar? In the same manner, we can complete the remaining blanks also. Have you bought dash raincoat? Here, raincoat. The word raincoat starts with the letter R. R is a consonant, so we have to use A. Or dash umbrella. Here, U also sounds like vowel sound. So, here we have to use an umbrella. If you go out in dash rain without either, you will get soaked. Here, which article we have to use? The rain. Particular word they have mentioned here, rain. So we have to mention the. Let us check the next one. My grandparents live in dash small cottage on dash banks of dash Brahmaputra. In these blanks, we have to use the articles a or an or finally the. Let us check which articles are suitable here. My grandparents lives in dash small cottage. Lives in a small cottage on dash banks of dash Brahmaputra. The banks of the Brahmaputra. Here particular places they have mentioned, so we have to use both blanks with the article the. See, let us read the full sentence over here. My grandparents lives in a small cottage on the banks of the Brahmaputra. In the same manner, you have to complete the remaining part. See here, the seventh one, children. Hema's bicycle was dirty. She took dash bucket and dash cloth from dash kitchen to clean dash bicycle. See here. Hema's bicycle was dirty. She took a bucket because the word bucket starts with the consonant. And dash cloth from, and here dash cloth means which article we have to use? A cloth. A cloth from dash kitchen. Of course, the kitchen, because the particular place we have mentioned here. They have mentioned here. So, to clean dash bicycle, here bicycle we have used already, and when we are repeating it, we have to use the article the. And Thimphu is dash capital of Bhutan. The capital of Bhutan, because here particular place has mentioned. And let us check the next one. The movie has dash interval. You can buy dash ice cream during dash interval. In this sentence, we have to use an interval here because the word interval starts with vowel, and you can buy dash ice cream here, an ice cream, because here again the letter belongs to vowel. Okay. And finally, here we have to use during the interval because we are repeating the word interval here. Understood? Let us check the next one. Please put all dash trash inside dash litter box. Here, the trash, because the particular things we have mentioned here. And inside dash litter box, of course, the litter box. Here particular item and particular box we have mentioned. So we have to use the in these both blanks. Let us check the next exercise here. Children, in this exercise, we should add a, an or the where needed, and we should rewrite the sentences correctly. I will show you one example here, children. Science Club holds quiz on first Monday of every month. Here, we have to rewrite these sentences by using the articles where it's needed. Okay? The Science Club holds dash quiz, of course, a quiz on the first Monday of every month. Every month. Children, in the same manner you have to complete the remaining sentence also, and you should add a or an or the where needed, and you should rewrite the sentences correctly. Okay, children? Let us check the next exercise here. Children, look at this picture and write 6 sentences about it. Use articles in every sentence you write. Observe the picture, what is going on over there. It's a birthday party, small birthday party, and how they are celebrating. You can write in 6 sentences by using the articles. Okay, children? Let us meet in our next class with the new topic. Thank you.